Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hussein. I'm here on behalf of the donors of Seeking Reward Foundation. We're in here in one of the rural areas of Islamabad called Sohan. In this village, Sohan, mashallah, we've built a water filtration project, as you can see here. And one of the unique elements of this water filtration is not only the beneficiaries do they benefit from the area of the village, but also the people who use the masajid. Mashallah, this water filtration project extracts water from the ground to a rate of 500 gallons of water per hour. So if you accumulate that to per person, it's 5 litres per person, serves between 30 to 40,000 people, mashallah. So the whole village benefits. I just want to say Jazakallah khair to all those donors who've helped put this together and donated toward this noble cause, and inshallah continue on your ongoing support so that we can do further projects and help further people in need for clean drinking water. Jazakallah khairan inshallah.